If f of x plus y is equal to f of xy for all y belongs to R, then prove that f is a constant function. Given f of x plus y is equals to f of x into y. F of x plus y is equal to f of x into y for all x comma y belongs to R. Let x is equals to 0. Then substitute here 0. F of 0 plus y is equals to f of 0 into y is 0. F of y is equals to f of 0. This means f of y is a constant. This means f of y is a constant for all y belongs to R. For all y belongs to R.